Thus, philosophy remains relevant in today's world. Philosophy remains relevant in contemporary society by providing critical thinking skills, ethical frameworks, and deeper understanding of human condition. To support, In My Father's Garden reflects on finding philosophical insight in everyday life, suggesting philosophy is accessible and applicable. Second, Father Ferriol's insight likely emphasized the importance of personal reflection and experience in philosophical understanding. Third, von Hildebrandt's What is Philosophy probably defines philosophy's unique role in exploring fundamental questions of existence and value. For objection, however, with regard to the first point that philosophy is empirical and offers no concrete solutions to real-world problems. Objection 2. With respect to the second point, others might contend that personal reflection is subjective and unreliable as basis of philosophical inquiry. For third objection, the third point, some critics believe that science has replaced philosophy in answering fundamental questions about universe. To answer the first point objection, that philosophy provides the foundational principles upon which practical solutions are built. It cultivates critical thinking, which is essential for problem solving in any fields. Answer 2. The second objection, I reply that while personal reflection is subjective, it can lead to profound insight when combined with rigorous logical analysis and engagement with diverse perspectives. Answer 3. To the third point, I say that philosophy explores questions that science cannot address, such as ethics, values, and the meaning of life. It complements science by providing a framework for interpreting scientific discoveries. Example For example, ethical debates surrounding artificial intelligence require philosophical frameworks to guide the development and use of these technologies. Another one is examining one's own biases and assumptions through philosophical self-reflection can lead to more objective and fair-minded decision-making. To illustrate by considering the philosophical implication of climate change, such as our responsibility to future generations, can motivate actions and inform policy. For our insight, first, philosophy's practical relevance lies in its ability to provide moral compass in complex world. Second, the integration of personal experience and critical reasoning is crucial for developing and nuanced philosophical understanding. Third, philosophy helps us to make sense of scientific advancements and their impact on society, ensuring that progress aligns with human values. To conclude, philosophy's enduring values lies in its capacity to cultivate critical thinking, ethical awareness, and deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, making it an indispensable tool for navigating the challenge of contemporary society. That's all, and thank you very much.